Hey guys, Amanda here. Today I wanted to share with you 4 tips I have for camp stove maintenance. First and foremost, plan to clean your stove after every use. So this is often a step that is skipped and results in problems down the line. So it's pretty simple. We can break it down just a little bit. You want to start with draining any excess fuel that you have in your stove, and then you can use a baking soda vinegar combo on stainless steel parts, while warm soap and water works well for plastic or other painted metals. Tip number 2, you want to remove any rust or buildup, and can easily use an old wire brush or even a toothbrush for this purpose. But the sooner you address any rust issues, the better off your stove is going to be in the long term. Number 3, regularly check your stove for any leaks and poor valve connections. And if you think that there is an issue with either of those things, you're going to want to consult a professional for some assistance in addressing that problem or problems. And finally, you want to store your stove properly, so ideally in a dry, stable place, so such as if you're living in a van, it doesn't have the opportunity to roll around and possibly fall and hit the ground and break. So quickly to recap, 4 tips I have for proper camp stove maintenance. Tip number 1, plan to clean your stove regularly, ideally after every single use. You can use baking soda and vinegar for stainless steel components, and warm water and soap on plastic and painted metal. But don't forget to drain your fuel, any remnants of fuel, before you start. Number 2, remove any rust or buildup using an old wire brush or a toothbrush. Works well, but the sooner you address rust issues, the better off you will be. Regularly check for leaks and poor valve connections, and if you think that any of those things are present, reach out for some professional assistance, unless you yourself are professionally adept at camp stove maintenance. And finally, store your stove in a dry, stable location where it won't potentially fall, hit the ground, and break. So that's everything I have for you on camp stove maintenance. I'd love to hear any tips that you might have, or if you enjoyed one in particular. And as always, definitely leave your feedback in the comments below. Thanks so much for watching. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like connecting with other outdoor enthusiasts, you should definitely consider checking out Summit. Summit is a social network that brings together adventure junkies from all around the world to exchange stories, share advice, and inspire each other. You might even make some new friends too. It's kind of like Facebook for outdoorsy people, but with better privacy, no ads, no spam, and tons of extras. You can join Summit by going to summit.theadventurejunkies.com or by clicking the link in the description below. You can find me in Summit too, so be sure to say hi when you join.